Temporary financial adjustments have made consumers more deliberate, with only 18% making frequent impulse buys in 2024. To explore this trend, we have David Zhang from Euromonitor International. David, what's driving the shift to intentional spending in Asia Pacific?
In my opinion, there's a change of consumers' expectations, especially associated along with the easing inflation in this region, as well as a prolonged economic uncertainties is driving towards this new spending norm in this intentional spending. In Asia Pacific, inflation rates has actually reduced from the 3% in this region in 2023 to 2% in 2024 this year. It is projected to stay below 2.7% by 2029. In Asia Pacific, there's also a drop of consumers who like to find bargain from 46% in 2020 to 37% in 2024. And notice that some key differences with the value hackers in our global consumer trends in last year's version, where consumers basically looking for the best value deals with lowest price for the short-term benefits. In this year, consumers within the wise wallet trends look for both quality and long-lasting benefits, especially around the products which can satisfy their strategic spendings along the areas around affordable premiumizations. Now, implications for business is to expand into the affordable premiumization. There can be areas, for example, in the consumer goods, companies may outsource the productions to their lower cost, but more selected partners to reduce the cost, or they can reduce the package size for size to reduce the price, but also the same quality for consumers looking for the premium goods. Now, in the financial services, banks, financial institutions, insurance firms, they can tap on fintechs, insurtech super capability to offer the product solutions at lower cost, but more faster rates to the markets.
With more than half of consumers willing to pay in order to save time, how are brands adapting to this?
To observation, there are two key actions, especially in the services industries. Firstly, within financial institutions industries, there's growing partnerships with those financial institutions with the financial online comparison platform. And secondly, in the mobility industries, there's also a quicker growth of the fast charging points for the electric vehicles. Now, one case is Money Hero Group with headquarters in Singapore and Hong Kong, and it manages financial platforms such as SingSaver in Singapore. It provides the expert review as previous user comparisons for financial products, including credit cards, loans, insurances, etc. It provides a lot of benefits for consumers, especially who are new beginners, to choose the products to suitable for their lifestyle or life goals. And more importantly, there's a growing number of partnerships with those financial institutions, including MSIG, which directly embed the financial products application process into those platforms, providing a more seamless customer journey.
David, how does Asia Pacific's financial comfort level compare globally, in your opinion?
Good question. And according to our global survey, Asia Pacific, which has 34% of consumers who are comfortable with the current financial institutions, which are 2% above the global average. And this is actually largely attributed to the trends where Asia Pacific is one of the leading regions where consumers who are regularly save. For example, there are 4 in 10 people in Hong Kong, Singapore, and China who regularly save, and compared with only 2 in 10 in Spain or 3 in 10 in the US.
Thank you very much for your time today, David.
Thanks a lot, Simon, for having me.
Again, that was David Zhang, Insight Manager at Euromonitor International. For more news, please visit asianbankingandfinance.net.